without further ado, welcome everybody that is on already and is still to come. And I made a few little slides to help us understand a little bit more about choices, because choices are some things, oops, that didn't go well. Choices are some things that I'm very passionate about. Now let me try that again in a better way. Because as everybody, I do make mistakes, although I hate to do that, and I even hate more to
and you hate to admit it.
Yes, it is hard. Make mistakes and admit to it, and we are, many of us, maybe not all of us, many of us like to be perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Now we'll talk about pivotal life decisions, about the first part of my course, that's same name, that has 10 parts, and how you treat yourself is part 1 for a reason, because everything we do starts with ourselves. Otherwise it won't work long for our life, right, Maxine?
Absolutely, absolutely.
Way
Took me
too
all
long.
these years to figure it out though, but finally.
Me too. And I still remember how I ended up from my first marriage to a German husband. He was an awesome physician, miserable husband, and he walked all over me and the children. And I let him do it.
Well,
I say I was a doormat.
Too. A lot of people in my life walk over me, and because I didn't think I was worthy enough to stand up. True.
And you know how I ended up? I don't know about you when you're watching that, but I ended up feeling like I was in jail.
Mm. And you
Like,
know what? The truth of it is, we put ourselves in our own prison when we do that.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's really true. And so it's so lovely to be able to share with others the tools that anyone can use to break free from those prison walls and fly off into wherever it is you want to go.
You know, really, it's true. We don't have to wait for other people to open the door. We have the key. And
Yeah.
I'll show you where to find it.